So guys, welcome back to another video. So today, I rushed to get my phone because I saw birds, and I don't know where they are. They are right over there, like in that field. I don't know where they are now. But I don't know where they are now. They're just over here. I'm telling you, they're just over here. And now suddenly they're gone. So now, we try and find them. If we can't find them, it's just we're cooked. Because those birds, I've only seen one bird in one of my bird watching videos. And that was the first video I made when it was like, guys, look at this bird that was all the way near my dad's car. And now, people are freaking washing cars at this time of night. Like, I understand your car dirty, but still. Chat, I'm literally at the park. And when I saw them, right over there, hold up, let me unzoom. And when I saw them all the way over there in that field, I ran to go get my phone. I didn't even realize that they flew away the moment I started running. Dang, I should have had my phone, dang. Oh, and don't ask about my sticks, okay? These are all the sticks I found. This is my lightsaber, so don't count this as a stick. I found all these sticks. Plus, I know this may look like an ordinary rock, okay? But I can track anybody in my family right now. Not like in my family, but like people that I know outside of my family. So let's check, I don't know, maybe Kayla. So, type in the password. I'll just. Okay, now let's see where Kayla is. That white dot on there is Kayla. And where? I'll just show you where we are. We're right there. So let's just follow where Kayla is. Okay, so we're holding it up right here. And where it's at is like right there. Right there is that window right there. And that's where Kayla is. But if we look where, I don't know, my dad is a whole nother story. Because not only do I live like right at that, this is, it's right there. My room is literally like, hold it. Let me get a better view for you guys. My brother's, hold it. No. So my brother's room, hold up. My brother's room is right there. If we come all the way over here, here is my room. Those two windows right there, my room. And then if we come all the way around and follow this all the way. Is this thing flooded again? If this thing is flooded, I'm actually crashing out. Okay, good, it's not flooded. It's not flooded, meaning A lot of times that thing is flooded, and me being post 10, I try and unclog it. But usually, sometimes I'm post 10, it'd be like, this thing is it's at capacity. Meaning no more water can enter through this pipe. And that pipe and that drain thingy is not even that big. It's not even that big. It's like this, like that big. Like not even that big. Like I'm gonna set my phone down. Like it's like this big. Like not that big, but like this big. And 2 cars at the same time with suds with soap on it. That thing will get freaking clogged instant. Like I'm talking about, no freaking getting it in there, nothing else, just clogged. And small stick, medium, small. That's a small medium. That's a medium large. That's a medium, or just medium. That's a medium large. That's large. That's extra large. No, this is extra large because if we measure it from the back to here, that's large, that's extra large, and this right here, this behemoth is extra large. But this is the smallest thing here, as you can see. Smallest thing. But at the end of this video, which is about to be right now, I'm gonna show y'all something. Turn my camera around. Let me get up here. Now let me go down here. Maybe. Now here. Let me grab my phone. Guys, I'm gonna head inside so that I can do my outro. Because I am about to because I need to pee. They're chasing. Hey, bad. Real bad. Jesus Christ. I'm sorry. I came in because I need to pee, and also, I'm hungry. Yes, because I was hungry. But I'm back, guys. I just put my phone. Actually, no, I'm gonna put my phone in the living room right here. I will be right back. Turn on the lights. I'm back. Now, time for my outro. So, Monopoly board is, so listen. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you can, smash that like button like this. That like button. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. And see you guys in the next video. Bye.